What's going on, guys? Long time no see. Chris here at Cullivella South Farm. Well, guys, we're back. My tour is over, and we're back on the farm. Actually got back, my first day was Tuesday. Got back late Monday night. And yeah, we've been cranking. We got big stuff going on, guys, big stuff. We have the sawmill. We finally took delivery of our sawmill. Even though it's, a year and a half after we ordered it, we finally got our LT15 wide. So we're going to be putting that together. And we also got a Wallenstein skidding winch. So we'll do a video on this when we pull it out of the crate and get ready to use it. But today, my buddy Maya is coming over, who actually went 50-50 with me on the mill. And yeah, we're going to start putting it together. So I'm actually going to start now. He's going to be here in about a half an hour. And we're going to crank and hopefully get it all done. I have the power unit. I took off the pallet already and got that set aside. And now we're going to start putting the bed plate together. And we also got a trailering kit for it over here so that it's fully portable. So right here is the trailering kit. So once I get the bed put together, we can get the trailer under it. So anyway, guys, that's what we're going to be working on today, getting this LT15 wide wood mizer sawmill put together. Pretty stoked. I'm pretty excited to get this thing going, and we can start cutting some lumber up for the new barn that we want to build. So yeah, so anyway, guys, I'm going to set you down and do a little time lapse here of us putting it together. All right, guys, so we pretty much got the mill put together. I tried to do some time lapse, but it started raining and thundering this afternoon. So we got her all assembled. And we're going to move it down to the lower wood yard there and set it up down there and maybe try to cut something today and give it a test drive. But everything's working, motor, we ran it, power feed works, everything works. So I think we're gonna head down and put at least a small piece of wood on it and try it out. All right, guys. Anyway. Well, we got the mill moved down to the lower log yard where we're gonna use it for the most part. We didn't get a chance to cut anything with it yet. Maybe tomorrow, I'm hoping, or probably Sunday. I have something to go to tomorrow. But anyway, guys, I think that's gonna wrap this video up. And like I like to say, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. And just remember, it'll be all right.